Hi, I'm John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our wet belt sander. Basically, this is the wet belt sander that used to be produced by the old Highland Park manufacturing years ago, but we've made some improvements on it that make it a little easier to use and a little easier if you ever have to service. Most of the stuff is the same. We did change the base. The original was on an aluminum base, and the base before you get a lot of corrosion on the bolts and stuff because you get water on it. This is basically stuff you could throw this in a pond and pull it out 50 years later and it's going to look exactly the same. And we also changed the belt guard on it. So if I turn it around here, you see the back. It is a 2-speed, so accessing that pulley, you can do it with 4 screws here and 3 screws in the front to change your speed. The other significant thing that I changed is this top drum. Now the original drum was this weird arrangement of pressed in bearings, and you really couldn't service it. And I had that problem years ago when I had one of these units and the bearings went bad in it. What I did with this is I've got 2 rollers type bearings in here with seals on them, and then I've got this cap seal on it. So the whole thing slides onto a 316 stainless. So that's the type of stainless it is, 316 stainless. It's a 1-inch shaft, same as the original. And then there's a snap ring on the inside that holds it all together. If you ever have to change the bearing, literally it's about a 15-minute job to change the bearings now. The other things I did is the precision of the machining on the head is a lot better now than the originals were. One of the things that's always tricky about a belt sander is getting that belt to track, so it's running down the center, of your wheel. When we machine this, we hold some pretty tight tolerances, so when you adjust the caster and camber of this, that you get really precise adjustments, and there's not any slop in any of this stuff that will have the belt chasing back and forth. Then we did put a real common type switch on it, so it's not got that special Cutler hammer switch that costs like $150 now. It's just a normal heavy duty 25 amp toggle switch. And then we made the sheet metal guard is a full welded one assembly, where the original one was Pittsburgh joint and stuff. But other than that, it's essentially the same model of machine as the original.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.